A giant power sleeps within your immune system. Science has finally managed to control this power. Meet the genetic engineering marvel. Hunting cancer cells, this technology is 1,000 times sharper than chemotherapy. Your own cells are about to become assassins. The invisible enemy is now too helpless to hide. A single genetic code changes all treatment methods. These lab-grown soldiers turn the impossible into reality. Most people think immune cells attack at random. In reality, everything depends on a secret molecular key. T cells are your body's most skilled units. They are tasked with finding and destroying invaders. Cancer cells sometimes manage to evade this radar. Chimeric antigen receptors step in at this very point. Scientists add a synthetic eye to T cells. This new receptor allows targeting cancer cells directly. CAR T therapy creates miracles with patients' own blood. Cells are trained in labs and returned as armies. However, old generation designs sometimes exhaust their army. Excessive signal loading causes cells to die early. Like your phone battery, T cells drain quickly too. This exhaustion process stops the war against cancer. New research aims to solve this energy problem. The answer lies in nature's own TCR mechanism. CD3 zeta chain acts as the main activation motor. But a special spark is needed to start this. LCK kinase is the most critical triggering protein. Without LCK, immune response never works at capacity. Most people think this protein binds just by chance. New data proves a much more complex order. LCK protein binds to TCR in a special way, an 8 amino acid sequence called the RK motif. This motif works like a key fitting a lock, right? K, GQ, RD, LY sequence attracts LCK protein like a magnet. When LCK is recruited, all cancer-fighting signals begin. This binding perfectly regulates the signal from start. Researchers successfully added this natural sequence to CARs. This design, called Epark Zcar, is changing the game. Tumor killing power increases exponentially over old designs. This is the ultimate point reached by modern medicine. The mechanism has a deeper biological logic than thought. LCK's SH3 domain binds ARK motif before Most scientists thought binding started after yet this critical contact must happen before everything. RK motif places LCK exactly in the right spot. This precise placement ensures the immune motor works. Protein structures complete each other. Like puzzle pieces, when SH3 recognizes this sequence, the cell alarms. Research shows this interaction is conserved from fish. Millions of years of evolution perfected this system. When arcade motif is removed, T cells go blind, calcium flux slows, and the cell loses killing ability. Experiments prove this new design destroys norm-6 cells. Leukemia cells cannot survive this sharp attack. Not just power, but signal balance is also achieved. This structure, preventing overload, minimizes cell exhaustion. People think more signal is always better. However, the right signal intensity is the only way. Mini Zcar design balances the expression level. On surface, it keeps the cell alive longer. By cutting waste, endoplasmic reticulum. Retention signal was removed from this. Thus receptors reach the cell membrane much faster. Tests on Dowdy lymphoma cells are quite surprising. New generation CAR cells work much faster than rivals. T-cell exhaustion markers are much lower. In this, inhibitors like TIM3 and PD-1 are seen less now. Immune cells can now stay longer on the battlefield. This persistence significantly reduces the risk of cancer recurrence. Most people think genetic modification harms the cell. Actually, we make the cell smarter and more selective. A single mutation in RK sequence disables the system. The sequence of amino acids is the thin line. When LCK recruitment fails, Tumors are never fully phosphorylated. This causes the T cell to remain a spectator. Research results. Redraw the molecular map of signal initiation. We now know the exact route of LCA inside. People think CAR-T design is just a merging job, yet spatial arrangement of proteins is important as code. Stress tests in mouse models yielded incredible results. Even at low doses, the new design erased tumors. Classic CAR cells lose at these doses, while XRC win survival rates are at a statistically revolutionary level. Bioluminescence imaging tracks the victory of cells. Moment by moment, the glowing light of tumors fades rapidly within days. This technology is for all cancers, not just leukemia. It's now much easier to breach solid tumor walls. Growing cells ex vivo becomes more efficient. With this, higher quality cells mean less risk of toxicity. Most people think we reached immune system's limits. The truth is, we are just at the beginning. This discovery opens a new era in protein engineering. A small code stolen from nature can end cancer. In the future, everyone's immune cells will become drugs. A world where you heal yourself with blood is near. Never forget ARC, GQ, RD, LY. It is life's secret password. These 8 letters are candidates to save millions. Most people make a mistake, thinking cancer is invincible. Cancer is just a problem with an undiscovered password. This silent revolution of science goes beyond lab walls. Hope is now in the genetic sequence of cells. We aren't just killing tumors. We're reteaching cells. This can be thought of as biological, artificial intelligence. These technical details and patents will be tomorrow's standards. Scenes from sci-fi movies are happening in reality. Today, mechanobiology of TCR is medicine's most exciting field. Force, angle, and chemistry combine to ensure life's continuity. When RK Motif calls LCK, all doors open. This is the most glorious victory of immune system. Most people find this change too small to feel, yet the universe's greatest wars are fought. Microscopic. There are no more safe zones for cancer cells. Science developed its greatest weapon against this relentless foe. In light of this, medical books will be rewritten. Future generations will think cancer is just old history. Your curiosity and faith in science will always enlighten. Every great discovery starts with a question and courage. Share this information immediately, so everyone knows this revolution. Knowledge grows as shared and carries society further forward. Trust this miracle in your immune system, and stay tuned. See you at the next great discovery. Stay scientific. Subscribe now. Add value to yourself.